In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contact groups in Outlook 365. If you email the same set of people regularly, a contact group, also called a contact list, lets you address one message to a single name, and Outlook sends it to everyone in that group. First, go to your contacts. In the Outlook navigation pane, look for the people icon. It looks like two small figures and usually sits at the bottom of the pane. Click it to switch from mail or calendar to the people view. Next, start a new group. On the Home tab, click New Contact Group. In some newer versions, this is labeled New Contact List. It's the same feature. Now name the group. In the window that opens, click the name field and type something clear and specific, like Marketing Team. A precise name makes it easy to find later and reduces mix-ups. Add members by selecting Add Members. You'll see three choices. From Outlook, Contacts lets you pick people you've already saved. From Address Book, searches your organization's directory for colleagues. New Email, Contact is for someone who isn't in your contacts or directory. Choose the option that fits. If you use Outlook Contacts or Address Book, search for each person, then hold the Control key while clicking to select multiple entries, and choose OK or Add to include them. If you choose New Email Contact, enter the person's name and email address carefully before confirming. As you add people, take a moment to check spellings and make sure you're selecting the right entries, especially if several contacts share similar names. A quick review now helps prevent bounced or misdirected emails later. When your list looks good, click Save Close. Your contact group is ready to use. The next time you compose an email, type the group's name in the To field, and Outlook will send the message to all members, saving you time and keeping everyone in the loop. That's the process from start to finish. Thanks for watching.